A convicted murderer could be put back on death row. The state attorney general is appealing the sentence change for Abu-Ali Abdur'Rahman. He was convicted of murder in 1987, but just last month his sentence was reduced to life without parole. News Channel 5's Kyle Horan tells us the AG now says that action was not legal. Kyle?
Yeah, and he says that's because when the court granted Abdur'Rahman clemency, he essentially, when they reduced his sentence, that they were acting as the governor of mind, and he's going to appeal that decision in court. Attorney General Herbert Slattery says this case has been tried multiple times. Abdur'Rahman is convicted in the 1986 death of Patrick Daniels and the stabbing of Norma Jean Norman, who survived. While he was on death row, Abdur'Rahman's sentence was reduced due to concerns raised about the prosecution's alleged racial discrimination. Abdur'Rahman's attorney, Bradley McLean, says during the original trial, the prosecution discriminated against African-American potential jurors during jury selection by keeping them off of the jury. McLean has a response to the Attorney General. He says what the Attorney General is doing is, quote, an unlawful attempt to usurp the power of the district attorney, end quote. And then he goes on to say the AG is taking a stand for racism and the prosecution's violation of constitutional and ethical duties. We talked to our own expert who says he thinks this process played out like it should.
I don't read the judge's order as granting any kind of clemency. I think the judge simply said that to cure the legal error, he would substitute the non-death sentence, and that would render harmless any constitutional problems that was originally in the case.
Attorney General Slattery says that he defends his decision by saying that when he's dealing with criminal matters like this, he has a duty to the people who are the victims. We'll talk more about that coming up at 6 o'clock. Reporting live in downtown Nashville, Kyle Horan, News Channel 5.